The next eclipse, a visual guide. Eclipses are some of the most breathtaking events in the natural world, uniting sky watchers, scientists, and dreamers alike. They remind us of the magical harmony in our universe. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the next eclipse, what it is, when it's happening, and how to experience it safely. Whether you're curious for yourself or want to share the wonder with your family, this guide is here to prepare you for a memorable cosmic journey. Let's start by understanding what an eclipse is. Simply put, an eclipse happens when one celestial body moves into the shadow of another. There are two main types: solar eclipses and lunar eclipses. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, temporarily blocking sunlight. On the other hand, a lunar eclipse happens when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow on the Moon. These events are nature's light show, offering us a rare chance to witness the alignment of the Sun, Earth, and Moon in perfect synchrony. Watch as our animation illustrates this mesmerizing celestial dance. Not all eclipses are the same. Let's look at the three main types. Total eclipse. The Sun or Moon is completely covered, creating a moment of total darkness. Partial eclipse. Only a section of the Sun or Moon is obscured. Annular eclipse. The Moon doesn't fully cover the Sun, leaving a glowing ring of light called the Ring of Fire. Each type offers something unique to observe, and the type we'll see during the next event depends on how these celestial bodies align. Why are eclipses so rare? It all comes down to the tilt of the Moon's orbit. Unlike the Earth's orbit around the Sun, the Moon's orbit is slightly tilted. This means the Sun, Moon, and Earth don't always line up. When they do, we get an eclipse. During a solar eclipse, the Moon's shadow is cast on Earth. This shadow has two parts: the dark inner region, called the umbra, where a total eclipse can be seen. The lighter outer region, called the penumbra, where you'll see a partial eclipse. Our animation helps visualize why these alignments sometimes seem so elusive. Save the date. The next solar eclipse will occur on
March 29,
and it promises to be a spectacular event. Depending on your location, you'll witness either a partial or total eclipse. Here's a quick breakdown. The eclipse will begin at 4:50 a.m. EDT and reach its peak at 6:47 a.m. EDT before concluding at 8:43 a.m. EDT. It will be visible across Africa, Greenland, North Asia, United States. Check out this map showing the path of the eclipse so you can find the best spot to watch. Eclipses may feel like a once-in-a-lifetime experience, but that's simply because of how they're spaced out. The combination of the Moon's orbit, its distance from Earth, and the Earth's position relative to the Sun creates unique conditions for eclipses to occur. If you've ever wondered why they don't happen every month, it's because the Moon's orbit is tilted about 5 degrees. This tilt ensures that most months, the Moon passes slightly above or below the Sun from our perspective. Throughout history, eclipses have captured the imagination of cultures around the world. They've been seen as signs of change, warnings, or even moments of divine intervention. From ancient myths about dragons eating the sun to modern scientific marvels, eclipses have always been events of wonder. This next eclipse continues that story, inviting you and your family to be part of something extraordinary. Getting ready for the big day? Here are some quick preparation tips. Know the timing. Mark your calendar and note the starting time and peak moment for your area. Find a good viewing location. Open spaces with clear skies work best. Look for parks or fields free from buildings or trees. Gather your equipment. Make sure to have eclipse glasses, a pair of binoculars with filters, or a pinhole projector ready. Witnessing an eclipse can be exciting, but you must take safety precautions, especially when observing a solar eclipse. Never, ever look directly at the sun without proper eye protection. Standard sunglasses are not enough to protect your eyes. Instead, use eclipse glasses, certified glasses that block harmful solar rays. Solar filters. Attach these to telescopes or binoculars. A pinhole projector, an easy DIY method to safely view the eclipse without looking directly at the sun. Want to make one at home? Here's how. Grab 2 sheets of stiff paper or cardboard. Poke a small hole in one sheet using a pin. Hold the sheet with the hole so sunlight shines through it onto the other sheet, creating a small projection of the sun. This is a great family activity and a safe way to enjoy the eclipse. The experience of watching an eclipse is unforgettable. Look for these magical moments. Beginning, the moon begins to cover the sun. Peak. Daylight dims, animals may act confused, and temperatures might drop. This is the most breathtaking moment. Ending. The sun slowly emerges and the spectacle concludes. Eclipses offer the perfect opportunity to inspire children to learn more about astronomy. Share fun facts to spark their curiosity. Did you know that animals often react to eclipses, thinking it's nighttime? Ask kids to draw or write about what they see. You'll be amazed at how this one event can kindle a love for science and the universe within them. Want to document this special occasion? Here are tips for safe photography. Use solar filters on your camera lens. For smartphones, attach a solar lens clip or take creative landscape shots during the dim light. Remember, the experience is just as precious as the photos, so spend time enjoying the view with your eyes too. Turn the eclipse into a shared experience by hosting a viewing party. Invite friends, neighbors, or family members to enjoy it together. Add some fun by preparing space-themed snacks or making a competition out of capturing the best photo. Above all, remember that an eclipse is more than just a scientific event. It's a moment of awe and reflection, reminding us of the immense beauty and precision of our universe. As the sun and moon align, think of it as a cosmic performance. These rare events connect us across cultures, generations, and even continents. Lastly, while we marvel at this natural wonder, let's remember the importance of preserving our skies. Light pollution threatens our ability to witness celestial events like this. Advocate for reducing unnecessary lights in urban environments so future generations can also enjoy the magic of eclipses. Eclipses are unforgettable experiences that bring families together and ignite lifelong curiosity about the universe. We hope this video inspires you to gather your loved ones and step outside to witness the next eclipse. Don't forget to share your experience using specific hashtag on social media. Let's celebrate this spectacular event as a global community, united in wonder and amazement under the same sky. Mark the date, gather your gear, and get ready for a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic adventure. It's time to watch the sky.